Well, the sign says, please accompany your children 10 and under. But what I just saw was really ghastly. There was like a small child, about 3 years old, and she went right up to the salad bar and sneezed. Now, she didn't sneeze onto the salad bar, but the particles would have been in the salad, in the cold, the lettuce and the vegetables and whatever was in the salad bar. So it's just totally disgusting. Children should not even be at the salad bar, especially if their faces are under the sneeze shield. And she was way below the sneeze shield.